Makhosi, Makhosi, Makhosi. Ngiyanamukela nini emakhaya, all you Kemites, all you loyal viewers of our channel. Sengibuyile. Umkhulusader lo igedla lamashikishikiri inyanga yamakhosi, and I welcome you guys to another episode of Kemi TV. Bakwethu singixolisile, ngaxolisa nyamalala kwami ngithi ngicela nixoleleni sihlanganile nezimo esihlukahlukile in our profession, our personal life, which has delayed a lot of episodes for Kemi TV. But I do want to be thankful for all of you who were worried, for all of you who texted me, all of you who asked me ukuthi mkhulu ingabe kuphi, mkhulu ingabe sebakushaya ngomuthi waphuma egamini. Cha, ngisasekhona, ngisasela. Kemi TV is still going to continue even if there are delays, even if there are reasons we must postpone in terms of dropping on my episode. We will try to be consistent in the next few coming weeks. Yeah, yilo leli manikela lamashikishikiro. Lisasekhona. I want to thank you guys. My God, I want to thank you guys. 3,300 subscribers, all due to your support, all due to your continued rooting for us. Even if you don't see new episodes coming out, Niabuya, you rewatch episodes, you send me messages, but which I haven't been able to tend to my business WhatsApp as effectively as I wanted to. To all of you who have appointments, to all of you who have mentorship sessions, we will be resuming with business as usual from let's say from Thursday. From Thursday we'll be resuming with business as usual, but these episodes must come out because this is not our channel. This is your channel. We have to continue the segments we started. Asikhona ukudedela emuva. You know, Umkhulusader continues to bring you free value. He continues to give you things in order to empower yourself, in order for you to tap into your own power, in order to assist yourself to create the tomorrow that you want to create. Ukuthi uzilaphe wena. Today we'll be continuing the segment Zilaphe Wena. You remember on our last segment we gave people formulas. We gave people a formula with baskandele imithi, baskandele iwasho to assist in their business, to assist in terms of uksusi ichitho. I do hope some of you assisted regarding that. On this episode we continue that by which this segment is Zilaphe Wena part 2. Let me go straight to it. My new resolution is to try and keep these episodes as short as possible in order for you to absorb as much as you can without falling asleep. If you're serious, if you're serious, Zilaphe Wena part 2. In this episode, ngifuna nje ukhipha ama formula 3. Very simple formulas, izinto wena ongazenzela zona ekhaya ukuthi uphile, ukuthi ube nokhanya. Our first formula bakwethu umuthi wokhaya. This is a basic swasho that you can make from home ukuthi ube nokhanya, ukuthi uthandeke, whether you go into emsebenzini, whether you're meeting up with a boyfriend yakho, whether you're meeting up with a girlfriend yakho and ufuna ukuthi akubone, makakubona athi nkosi yami, there's just something about this guy, another thing. This muti will give you that thing. Umuti wokukhanya. Uzongenzela kanje. Ungilalisise, get a pen and a paper, ungilalisise. This is for you, Oti Mkhulu. I can't afford to get to you, I can't afford to go to any nyanga. I would like to try and do this myself. Tata, hambe, uyokhanya like a diamond in the sky. Umuti engidinga ukuthi ukuthola. Ngicela ukuthi uqale ungilandele uzineke. Kodwa not uzineke impande, kodwa ngiyocela ukuthi ungilandele uzineke umkhando. Uma ufika at the muti shop uyocela uzineke umkhando. Guys, we are sorry about the disturbance. It appears the dogs are rowdy for some reason. Hopefully you guys can hear me there at home. Ngiyocela ukuthi uma you get to the muti shop ucele uzineke umkhando. Ungitholele uwoza impande, the root. Ufika lapha ungabhayizi, ungathatha umuthi because uzogeja. Uthole uzineke umkhando, uthole uwoza impande, and then uthole umuthi obizwa ngokuthi uminakile. Then uthole umfazi othethayo. Uyongithathela these things, uzigaye usihlanganise ne-holy ash. Uma usihlanganisile uyonkhanyisela ikhandlela eli-yellow, and then for 7 days you're going to steam and bath. Steam and bath, but after 7 days you don't have to do it anymore. When the effect wears off, ngicela ukuthi uqhubeke usebenzisa ngale ndlela engikunike wona. The way I've given you this formula, continue using it like that. Mayiphela buyele back to the multi shop, hambe uyo restocker, so that you can be, like Rihanna said, a diamond that is shining bright in the sky. Tonight, you and I. Nkosi yami, umuntu wakho makakubona nje ucebezele phambi kwakhe, iboss yakho mayikubona nje icabange wena ukuthi oh God, izolo there was just something about that guy. There was just something about that girl beyiqinile instead of out of everybody else in the office. Ukuthi if there's a family gathering and umuntu othanda i-attention, an attention seeking struggle, uthathe lo muthi usebenzise so that you can get all the attention in the family gathering. If you're going out uyogroova, if you're going out partying, sebenzise lento le uzokhanya to you slay queens, nekeleni ukulanda inyoka esihlala ngaphakathi kwenanazi. Makhosi, you'll do this for 7 days. Unkhanyisela amakhandlela lawa eyicela ukuthi wakhanyise, and uzobuya in the comment section, uzobuya in my personal WhatsApp ungitshela ukuthi mkhulu kwenzakale so na so na so. Makhosi, without uginqa amagula, let's move on to the next formula. Bakwethu, ukuqinisa igceke la kwaMcrusader is 2.8. Siyehlisile price because asifuni ukukhama abantu kakhulu, asisebenza imali, sisebenza ukusiza abantu. Ukuqinisa ngomuthi is 2.8. Ukuqinisa ngendlela yesithulu is 1.2. Ungithinte 083-251-2385. Fike lapha kuwe ukufakele lezi zinto engizokufakela zona. Abathakathi bayeke ukugida phezulu kweroof ebusuku, uyeke ungenelwa ingungumbani, zicindezele ebusuku, zicindezele ingane, wena ulokulala uthi ngizoyenzani. If uhlulekile ngempela ukuthi uhlanganise 1.2 noma i2.8, ngenzele kanje. Ngiyocela ukuthi ungithathele le mithi elandelayo. Ungithathele umayini, ungithathele umabophe, umayime, umabophe, ungitholele uslephe, bese ungitholela nomuthi ubizwa ngokuthi ngiyaza. Uyoyigaya le mithi le uyibilise. Uma usibilisile, you're gonna steam it in a pot of about 1.5 to 2 liters. Once you've done that, you're gonna take a 20-liter pot, uyithele ngaphakathi, bese ulayitela ikhandlela elibovu, phume ngaphandle uchele noma emini noma ebusuku, uchele all around the yard. This will assist. You'll do this maybe once every week to 2 weeks. This will assist ngokuthi igceke liqine partially. Le mithi le is not too expensive. You can find it for 50 rand nje, into engaka. You can find it for 100 rand. Know that you'll be paying less than 500 rand ukuthi ugade igceke lakho, because spiritual security is a necessity, especially ngalesikhathi lesi. We are not fear mongering. Sintshela into ekhona, sintshela ngeimpande ezimnyama that don't need a reason ukuthi bakuthumele ngento, that don't need a reason ukuthi bahlise ingane yakho, that don't need a reason ukuthi bathakethe igceke lakho, that don't need a reason ukuthi bavale umndeni wakho, bachithe umshado wakho. So if uyindoda, qinisa igceke ndoda. If umfazi and you are the man in the house, there's no husband, protect your children, because your children ikusasa lakho. Thatha le mithi wenze lokho ngitshela ukuthi ukwenze, ubuye kimi ungitshela ukuthi mkhulu, prior to you giving me this formula, bengithi mangivuye ekseni ngithole ukuthi kunama footprints wamabhova. Anginabhova mina ejaridini ya the big palisade, angazi ukuthi inja behamba kuphi. I found footprints I cannot recognize. Ebusuku kuqhuma isilinga, asazi ukuthi kwenze njani. Ebusuku sithi thina masilele, we all get nightmares, night terrors. Kuyashisa endlini ngathi kusesihogweni, kushisa ingathi sesihogweni, abantwana bayakhala, indlebe zikuhlungu. Uthi thatha lento, thathe lo muthi usebenzise, uchele, usule endlini, buye kimi uzongitshela ukuthi izinto zime kanjani. Ithi singaginqa amagula. Our final formula today, wena othi mkhulu mangilele ebusuku ngangiphupha ngilele nomuntu wesilisa, ngangiphupha ngilele nomuntu wesifazane, ngalanda isiwasho thizeni or ngakhuleka, ngaphahla, ngathandaza. Kwathi ngesinye isikhathi ngithi ngiyathandaza, Nkosi yami, ngabona imfene noma ngabona into ebengayazi ukuthi yini, noma mangithi ngibona lo mfazi noma indoda mangithi ngibheka ubuso babo, uyabona ukuthi cha, this thing is no longer a human. You have confirmed ukuthi ulalwa yisilwane, you have confirmed ukuthi kunesilwane endlini. Ngenzale kanje. Uzongitholela into ebiza akusumuthi lo, bakwethu akusumuthi. You'll find something and it's not consumable. Ungayiphuza ungayidli lento. Isetshenziswa abaprofeti kakhulu, especially against izilwane nezinyama. Uzongitholela into ebiza ngokuthi yi-blue stone. You can go to your clicks, to your Discam, look for it there. You can go to a multi shop, look for it there. Ungaya na kuba fowethu abaphuma ngale. I know recently there's been bad news from them, but generally these stores will have what we call a blue stone. Uzongitholela blue stone, uzongitholela holy ash. If ungayazi holy ash, salusuyeka ke. Salusuyeka because holy ash is the basic of basics of spiritual hygiene. Uzongitholela holy ash bese ungitholela umuthi obiza ngokuthi umvuthuza or uvuthuza. Yavuthuza lo muthi. Uvuthuza konke, uceda amandla. Uvuthuza inyanga ezaziyo ziyazi ukuthi uvuthuza wenza. Uvuthuza usebenza kakhulu endizeni nasemithini yokuchela, uqeda imithi emnyama amandla. You will get uvuthuza. It comes as impande that looks like it has a lot of strings. A lot of strings. The root looks like inwele zaka pinky pink. Uzongitholela uvuthuza bese uzongitholela nespirit. Thathe lezo zinto uzihlanganise, ugeze moyo lala, usule endlini uchele nakwakho. This is specifically for isilwane. Ayiqinisi uqosha isilwane from you, from the house, from icele. Use these formulas, bakwethu. This is free. This is free. This is free value for you ekhaya. Ukuthi ungagijima uyale for 500 yoqosha into which you could have qosha for under 200 rand. If nihlulekile, if uthi mkhulu this too complicated, ngicela ngihlanganisele, ngithinte, ngithumele message usho ukuthi mkhulu, I heard you on Zilaphe Wena, your second segment. I don't have it in me ukuthi ngihlanganisane nemithi neyiwasho. Please do it for me. Number is 083-251-2385. Umkhulu Seda lo igedla lamasishwe inyanga yamakhosi. Bakwethu, we have a whole lot of things in the pipeline that we plan. I'm getting my team together ukuthi ngizosizakala because the clientele base has outgrown my ability to handle it on my own. So I'm getting people together to assist me. Umkhulu Seda does have an announcement. Umkhulu Seda uzobe azicalela yena inkonzo yakhe. It's yet to be announced. It will be explained in a future episode. It will be digital at first, but we are hoping that with isikhathi we'll be able to secure a physical place la esizokhona ukuba nayo physically. Putting that aside, I do hope ukuthi you guys are still gaining something from this channel. I do hope that you guys are still growing from watching this channel. Ngicela ukuthi check somewhere here below. You will see my Instagram handle. You'll see my TikTok handle. Like, share, subscribe, follow me on the social channels. Like I said, yilo leli gedla lamashkrishkri. Akakashitshi isasenjani nje. Ngiyanibonga nini emakhaya nithi ngiyasithoba phambi kwenu naphambi kwamadlozi namathungi makhosi.